Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Farah Wahida and I'm here with my team members Arif Daniel, Dia Aisyah, Nasra Haziq, Nur Amira Adriana and Nur Farisa Zulaika. Our main topic is SQL. So SQL is like the language that helps computers talk about data. It plays an important role in organizing as well as retrieving data efficiently. Its significance lies in empowering businesses to make informed decisions by seamlessly interacting with databases. We'll also touch on data manipulation language, DML, a part of SQL that lets us manage as well as manipulate data. Now, let's zoom into a cool part called subqueries. We'll be teaching you guys a few commands in subqueries. We have prepared multiple tables for you to refer.
This is our tables. Consists of customer, menu item, others, and other item. Now let's move to constrain each table. In customer table, customer ID as primary key. In menu item table, item ID as primary key. Next, move to others table, other ID as primary key, and customer ID as foreign key. And lastly, other item table, other item ID as primary key, other ID and item ID as foreign key.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about subquery with equality. So look at the customer table and orders table with their record. Before we get the output, we have to solve the command first. In this case, we have to solve in the bracket first. Look at the select customer ID. Select where we want to show the output. So in this select customer ID is from what table? In this case, customer ID is from orders table. Also, there is a condition where date 2022 11/11, meaning that in the table we have to find that 2022 11/11 with their customer ID. After we done at the in the bracket solving, so we have to solve outside the in the bracket. In this case, we have to select first name and last name. Select first name and last name is from what table? Is from customer table. Also, there is a condition where is customer ID is equal to 1. 1 where we have find already in the inside the bracket, which is select customer ID from orders where date 2032 2032 11/11, and then we just find the output where first name is Farah and last name is Wahida. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfasa Zulaika and I will present about nested subquery, which involves in. So the comma in the bracket will be solved first. We start with the order item table. It filters for the item where the quantity is either 5 or 4. This gives us a list of the order ID that have these items. Next, we will move to the order table. We use a list of order ID from the bracket and say give me all the orders where the ID is in this list. This finds all the orders that contain at least one item with the quantity of 5 or 4. Finally, the query selects just two columns for the match orders, the customer ID and total amount. This gives us a list of customers who place the orders containing those specific item quantities along with the total item, total amount they spent on those orders. Thank you, that's all from me.
Now, I will explain to you subquery with aggregation. We are going to use order table for this subquery. First of all, you have to take a look at the inner part of the code with the bracket. It asks us to calculate the average of the total amount. When we calculate the total amount, we will get 20.6. And then, with the result of the average total amount, you have to take a look at the outer part of the code. The outer part of the code asks us to display date and status, where the total amount is more than the average total amount, which is 20.6. If you look closely, the total amount which is more than the average total amount, which is 20.6, is 22 ringgit and 30 ringgit. This is the result that will appear.
In conclusion, subqueries are an essential tool for any SQL developer. Mastering them enables writing efficient, effective, and concise queries for complex data operations. Subqueries are nested queries within another query, enabling complex data retrieval and manipulation from multiple tables. They unlock capabilities beyond simple joins, allowing for conditional filtering, dynamic comparisons, and calculation based on other query results.